welcome back to the shop. It's Eric.
And Nico.
And we got our new graphics in for the KLX 110 from Amazon. We'll put a link in the description to where we got them from. We'll open them up, see what the quality looks like, get them installed on the bike, and give you our review. So the graphics came in a nice big envelope. Show them what the envelope looks like. So go ahead and open it up. Well, we opened it up already. You can see that. But let's go ahead and take them out and see what they look like. Oh yeah. Looking good. So these are from SENGE Graphics. Let's see if we can get these things out, installed. It looks like it's pretty easy to figure out. We also got them customized. So it says Nico 10 for his 10th birthday, which we just celebrated the other day at Wild Adventures in Valdosta, Georgia. And got him a new dirt bike. So now we're going to make it look brand new with some good graphics. Let's go ahead and get the bike loaded up. Wheel it on over to the shop lift. Yeah, that's a good idea to always do that. I like to always walk the bike from the side that the kickstand is on. I think you're supposed to do that. All right. Ooh, good catch. You probably want, it's okay to ask for help if you need it. All right. So I'm just going to pick the back end up a little bit and bring it around. All right, push the other. Give it a good heave. Ready? Yeah, man. All right, good deal. Kickstand down. Nice. Want to go ahead and jack it up? All right, let's go ahead and screw some of this stuff out of the way so we can clear off our workplace. All these extra parts from the stuff we did. That's good. We don't. That's an Allen wrench, but that goes up here. All right, you gonna bring that chair over here for us? All right, let's get these things down and take a look at them. Got to figure a way to open them so that we don't mess it up. So use a razor blade. I'm just going to cut around the edges, not over the graphics, but just to get this thin plastic cut away so that we don't damage any of them. Usually I can just cut two sides and it'll be enough. So I think that these are the 0.22 mil or whatever, the thickest ones that they had. I think the set was about $150. But it looks like it's a little bit more complete than they even described. So that's who we got it from there. Get the information on the business card for. And again, we're going to put the link in the description. So looks like this guy will kind of go on there. A heat gun. You don't want to get too close with this thing. It will burn them, but it helps to get the stickers to kind of wrap around the curves and get the air bubbles out.
I can't look at that, can I?
But we got to clean all this stuff off with some acetone or alcohol swabs or something to get them nice and clean before we put the stickers. Oh, that's going to look pretty good.
Oh, heck yeah.
That one goes there. Oops. I wonder if that one goes there and this one goes on the front. Yep. Goes on the back. Dude, this thing is going to look really good. All right, for starters, let's go ahead and do this. You probably should use alcohol or something, but I don't have any. So I'm just going to clean it up with this. Make sure I get it as clean as possible before I put the sticker on.
Some got on my face.
Plastic's really thick. The stickers are good. What I need to do is hold this out of the way. Warm it up a little, not too much, just warm them up a little. Stick inside of here and get that sticker down where it hit the seat. Right here. There we go. Look at that.
Nice.
That's the idea. So Nico, what are you doing now?
Filling this up with water so we can do some ingredient. Yeah, I don't think it was water. There's like bubbles plopping up from like a...
Dump it out and put water in it again. I want to get it to do just water. We're going to mix a little bit of soap in that and use some soapy water to spray onto the motorcycle before we put the stickers on so that we can slide them around and get them right into the position that they're supposed to be. And then we'll use one of those little rubber Bondo squeegees to squeegee the air bubbles out of them. Thanks for doing that, Nico. Once you get it cleaned out, only fill it up about halfway and bring it to me, okay?
Yeah.
Good to go?
Almost. Have to do the special part. Ready? Daddy?
Don't you do it. Good to go?
The freshest water on the planet.
Oh, I'm sure you're right. So this is Dawn dish soap.
Yep.
I'm gonna put just a little little tiny bit in there. Maybe that much is enough. Then we're gonna put the cover on here. We're gonna shake it up. I'm gonna have Nico's gonna shake it up for us.
Ooh, I get to shake something?
Shake it up. Up and down too, not just sideways. All right, that's good. Let me see. No, let me see something. Let me see something. Let me see something. By the way, folks, it's about 100, 105 degrees in here. We're in Florida in late June. Let me help you. I'll hold this part and you can kind of guide the other part off there. Good. You understand the danger, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't let them touch each other. Now what I'm gonna do to help you out, because this really is something that two people should do together, okay, is I'm gonna spray this real good with the soapy water concoction that you shook up for us real good. All right, now kind of put it in place where you think it should go. The idea with that soapy water is it will let you kind of move it around if you mess up, you know? Just a regular old Bondo squeegee is fine. And what you do is you get this right where you want it and you take the squeegee and go push down and go away out toward and go out towards the edge. So like that, and yeah, and just go towards the edge. And what that's doing is pushing the water out from behind the sticker. That's good. Right down the centers on all the flat parts. That's awesome. Let's do down here too, but be careful when you go, you know, always be going away from the center towards the edge. Yep. Excellent. Nice. Good deal. So now let's get the heat gun, and I'll do that part since it's so hot, and you can hold the camera, okay?
Thank you.
Back of the truck, and when we do take you home, we can put it in the back of the trunk so you can show your friend Landon.
Really?
If you want.
I would love to.
Okay. You can show your mom too.
Yeah.
But what if we don't take you home? What if I take your mom to take you to one of those places where your mom works? You know what I mean? How sometimes when I drop you off.
Dang it! I'm going to Harper's. I'll just take a photo.
Good thing we're making all these videos so you can show that to them.
Yeah.
Give it again. Okay, it's hot, but we're done. The dirt bike looks good, and we're grateful for you watching, aren't we, Nico?
Yeah. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell.
Do that. Oh, and share, right?
Don't forget to share.
Share. Let's get some views, man. It'll be cool. And if we get up to, I don't know, some number, I don't know. We haven't set a goal yet. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish this little dirt bike over here.
Give it away.
And we're gonna give it away to one of our subscribers. So it doesn't look like much now, but it's a fantastic piece of motorsports art. One of a kind.
One of a kind.
Love y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Anything else? Ring the bell. Peace.